I'm Michelle, and this is a Faux-Midori journal, also known as a Faux-Dori. I've been making these journals for years now in this traditional size and also a pocket size. This month, let me show you how you can easily create your own Faux-Dori journal, calendar, mini scrapbook, goal tracker, or whatever you want this to be. I will be sharing creative ideas, tutorials, and tips on my blog, Instagram, and in my Facebook group all month long, so be sure to connect with me on all of these platforms. I'm here to help you along the way, and I'm already so excited to see what we are going to make and to celebrate our creativity. Let's get started. Oh my goodness, doesn't this look like fun? You are going to love this project. Now this paper I'm using is called Dream Maker, on special at Close to My Heart. It's available while supplies last. Now you don't have to use this paper. You can use any kind of paper you want. I will put a supply list on my blog, and you can use whatever supplies you like, whatever you have on hand, feel free to use. This is going to be such a fun project. Thank you for joining me.